The Supreme Court directed all states and union territories to prepare a realistic and practical action plan to implement minimum standard guidelines for intensive care units and asked authorities to begin the process immediately. A bench of Justices Ahsanuddin Amanullah and R. Mahadevan noted that guidelines for the organization and delivery of intensive care services have already been prepared and should be shared with all states and union territories. It instructed additional chief secretaries in charge of health and medical education departments to hold meetings with experts to draft actionable implementable plans. The court said 5 basic issues should be identified and prioritized in the initial phase, focusing on essential requirements such as manpower and equipment logistics. It also emphasized the need to develop a clear methodology for implementation along with mechanisms for compliance and monitoring. The bench directed that the process begin immediately with the first meeting to be held within a week. Reports prepared by states and union territories must be submitted to the Union Health Ministry, which will circulate them for further deliberation and preparation of a final common draft. The court set a 3-week deadline to complete the exercise, with the final report to be presented at the next hearing on May 18. It also directed the Centre to formally issue the guidelines as an advisory. During the hearing, the bench supported enhancing ICU training for nursing staff and added the Indian Nursing Council and Paramedical Council of India as parties, asking them to submit a training plan at the next hearing. Bureau Report, Orissapost Live.